I must be mad, honestly. It's baking outside, and I've got a parcel. Now, that parcel is for the van. So my aim today is to get the front wings swapped over. Will we be able to do it? I hope so. Oh, why have my lights gone off? Oh, let's go and investigate that.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Did I just do that? Anyway, let's get this box open and see what's inside. I'm not entirely certain whether I should paint them before I put them on or after. I'm actually thinking after, because I'm still not 100% sure what colour to do. So there should be 2 rear repair panels and 2 front wings. These are repair panel ones. I mean, this is going to be my first time doing body work like this, so I might muck it up, you never know. It's to the side. And then this is on the front. Right then. So the first thing I've noticed, there's no holes in the top here. So I guess I'm going to have to drill them. That nugget a bit bent. Have you got a bit bent, Nugget? These are the clips that hold the bumper on, so we might have to straighten them. So you've been a bit battered. See what your friend's like. We're less battered, but you've still only got no holes in the top. So yes, let me go and double check these are the right ones before I start pissing about with them. And then we'll see what's happening. Here we are. Yeah, that'll do for me. So next job, because I did watch a video earlier and I had to set these wings off, and it looked quite easy. This guy did it in like 10 minutes. So basically, pop bonnet, 3 screws at top or something on grill, two screws on that bottom grill bit, and then that whole thing unclips from that side, and then you pull it away from that side, although they look exactly the same clip, so maybe it just clips in. Yeah. And then loosen the headlight bolt so you can pull that forward, and then take the number plate off, 2 screws at back and 2 bolts at front, that comes away, and then there should be just 2 bolts at side, 3 on bottom and some on top, and that should come away then. So it shouldn't take too long. Right, I'm not going to show you me doing all that because it seems a bit pointless, but yeah, let's crack on. As I was saying, the pleasures of doing things the first time yourself, without anybody experienced there to help, is you get up with stuff like this. I mean, ignore this crispy bit. I've just painted it for now, before I decide what I'm gonna do. Ow. Stop sticking metal in your fingers, idiot. Yeah, that should be attached up here. We'll sort that out later. But the wings that I've got over there, I should have just bought repair panels, because these are welded on. Like, every bit is welded on. So because it's only this bit, ignore that, because I shouldn't have done that. I need to refasten that together. I'm just going to cut. Where did I say we're going to cut? Along here. along that line there. And then I'll use them ones as repair panels, so then I don't have to take the whole wing off, because it looks like a massive pain in the arse. Well, the video I watched this morning, they were just bolt on, but obviously that must have changed. That T4, because they make T4 for like 10 years or something. They made it for a long time. So yeah, I'm guessing it's a different year, the one that I watched earlier, which is annoying. Although that said, when I bought them, they were 90 to 2003, I think, so I don't know. Anyway, so the thing is, I'm going to cut down here instead. But then the other thing is that I need more cutting wood discs. I can't find where I've put the other cutting discs, so I need to find more cutting discs and then cut that, and then I'll not even faff about on the other side. I'll just go straight in and chop it. The other side's not as bad as this. Actually, maybe I can get away with just doing front on this side. Oh no, I might as well enter. Oh yeah, I might as well. Yeah, so same on this side. I'll cut it this way, down here, down that line, and I'll weld all the way across that. Well, at least I've got this as a template to know where that is. It's only bumper bracket support. God, it's all rusty there. It's weird because rest of it's really good. It's just that front bit. Can you see in there? Look. I'll get them swing arms painted up, and all when I put other springs on, and I'll have a look at just doing something on that. But everything else is fine. Weird, isn't it? Anyway, that's what we've got so far. Oh, honestly, it's an adventure. It's an adventure. The rear ones are going to be, as soon as I've done this, the rear ones are going to be pretty much the same, aren't they? Just bigger. So I definitely need more cutting discs. In fact, let's have a look at rear ones, because the repair panels have got quite a big chunk on them. Yeah. I think I should do the same, just go straight across there and down. That might be a way to do it, eh? Well, we shall find out, shan't we? Yeah, so a bit change of a plan. Instead of taking wing off, I'm just going to cut bottom off, and then just replace this bottom bit. Yes, that's the plan so far. I really wish I'd got repair panels for this bit now, but we shall see what happens with that. So yes, I'm going to cut this bit off, and then on the new panels I'm going to cut it up to here on the new panel, so we can overlap this somehow. I'm sure it'll work. Bloody grinders decided to pack in now.